Here's a quick demo of the BedLights version 5. Not too much different from the other versions. Version 1 used 8 different single color LEDs, and they could all be individually addressed. Version 2 changed the colors. Version 3 used patterns. Version 4 had way too many patterns, and then version 5 I just went back to keep it kind of basic in most ways anyways. A little bit of improvements. So there's a switch, turn it on. First setting is just color change. Rotate through, pick any color you want. Second setting is automatic rotate. And third setting is temperature, using the onboard temperature sensor. It's again, after I made the circuit, all the values changed for, I don't know why. It must be the different voltage or something. But I'll see if I can get it to change. Turning a little more green. Originally it was calibrated to go from about 18 degrees at blue to about 30 degrees at red. Okay, now it's really green. If I keep my thumb, it'll probably go maybe to orange, but I'll stop for now. Back to the color select mode. I have a button that changes the amount of white. Works for any of the colors. Might be hard to see on this camera. Let's try less of a white. Yeah, it's just a little bit lighter. So I had a whole bunch of features on the other ones, like flickering, strobing, but they all just seem to be kind of gimmicky. I never actually used them. So it has 2 headers. I guess really you could put as many as you want, but I've never needed more than 2. And it's pretty simple, not too many parts. Some diodes, transistors, and resistors, buttons, a pot, and then an MSP430. That's pretty much all you need. Thanks for watching.